assuming the sun to be spherical body of radius r at temperature Tk. Evaluate the total radiant power incident on earth at a distance r from the sun, where r naught is the radius of the earth and s is the Stephen constant. So how to solve the question? The question is, so assuming sun is a perfect black body, sun is a perfect black body, okay. So what is the energy radiated from the sun of radius r? So energy radiated, it will be equals to, if I say the energy radiated, so it will be sigma a t to the power 4, right? What is a here? Where a is the area of the sun, a is the area of the sun. So we can write here p will be equals to sigma, this sigma, and a is 4 pi r square. Why r square? Because r is the radius of the earth, into t to the power 4, okay, from Stephen's law, because here we are using the Stephen's law only. So what is the intensity of this power at earth's surface? Clear? What is the intensity of this power is received by earth's surface? Just try to understand, if there is a sun and at r distance there is earth, okay. So just try to understand the what will happen. The radiation energy will spread over a sphere, okay, because the sun will, if I draw r radius, because at what distance the earth is situated at small r distance, so then what will happen? So we can say that 4 pi r square, the whole space, 4 pi r square area will receive p energy. So what is the energy received per unit area? That will be 4 pi r square, okay. So what can we say? So this is intensity. So the intensity of this power, so what will be the intensity of this power? So the intensity of this power will be p by 4 pi r square, right? And now what will happen? How much energy will be received by the earth? The energy will be some amount of energy will be received by the earth. So how much energy will be received by the earth? Try to understand. The sun is far away from the earth's surface. So we can consider, because the sun is very far from since the earth is very far from the sun, then what will happen? Out of the total energy radiated, a small fraction of it is received by the earth, right? Whatever energy is radiated by the earth, so a small fraction of energy will be received by the earth, okay. So we can say earth is a small disk. Earth is a small disk and whose radius is r naught. So what is the energy received by earth? So we can say that will be p by 4 pi r square into pi r square, right? Pi r naught square. What is r naught? R naught is the radius of the earth, okay. And according we have the value of p. What is the value of p? That is sigma a t to the power 4 by 4 pi r square into pi r naught square. So this 4 pi and what will be a? We also need to put the value of a, so that will be, this pi will be cancelled, okay. I will cancel this later. So it will be sigma into 4 pi r square into t to the power 4 by 4 pi r square into pi r naught square. So this pi and this pi, this 4 pi, this pi cancel, this 4 cancel. So the final energy received by the earth, it will be pi r naught square with sigma r square t to the power 4 by r square, right? It will be the answer, okay.